Cranny, cranny, cranny. Common meanings. 1. Small opening, a tiny gap or hole in something solid. Example, the mouse hid in a cranny in the wall. 2. Nook, a small hidden corner or recess. Example, she found a cranny in the rock to sit and rest. The word cranny is often used to describe small hidden spaces where things can be found or hide. It's a useful word when talking about exploring or describing detailed places. For example, when cleaning, you might say you need to get into every nook and cranny to make sure everything is spotless. I hope this helps you understand the word cranny better. If you like this video, please subscribe for more learning adventures. Thank you. Bye.